Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on make public favorite sounds on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on this three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here as you see you will find privacy. Click on it. Here you will find favorite sounds. Just click like this and click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on make public favorite sounds. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.